Jeff's got the whips on that.
Moving through, here's the horizon. In Atlanta, and again, showers and thunderstorms now over the city. This is how the northern side of the city looks, but look at the radar. Wow, what a time it has been. Right around the perimeter, right over the airport.
Local weather.
All this is slowly sinking.
This is obviously not Yakima, but...
And more, somewhat cooler weather is in the forecast. I'll show you the highs for the next few days.
Here it comes.
Rain cooled in many spots to the south.
Yeah, right.
Real thing. Highs will be in the 70s, even
Wow.
the 60s. In Vermont, New Hampshire, and across the state of Maine.
Okay.
Into portions of the northeast.
Oh, there it goes again.
Not the case, so
Absolutely pouring. I'm going to go back outside. I have to go out here and show you this. This is absolutely freaking amazing. Look. For all those who don't think it rains in Yakima, kiss my butt. Look at that. Holy crap. And it's coming down even harder now. I have to kind of yell. And it's literally pouring.